Once upon a time, in a green meadow near a big forest, lived a smart cat named Felix. He loved to explore, climb trees, and watch the world around him. One evening, as Felix walked near the river, he heard someone crying. He followed the sound and found a scared rabbit with big teary eyes. "Please help me," the rabbit begged. "My babies are in danger." Felix's ears perked up. "What happened?" "A big snake," the rabbit whispered, trembling. "It has gone inside my burrow, and my babies are trapped." Felix's fur stood on end. He knew about Slither, the cruel snake who scared all the small animals in the forest. "Take me there," Felix said bravely. The rabbit quickly led Felix to the burrow. When they arrived, Felix saw the small hole in the ground where the baby rabbits were trapped. He also saw two glowing yellow eyes inside. It was Slither. Felix thought fast. He couldn't go inside the hole, and he wasn't strong enough to fight the snake. He needed a clever plan. Felix spotted an old beehive nearby. He knew snakes hated bees. He picked it up and dropped it in front of the burrow's entrance. Then, Felix let out a loud, scary roar. Slither lifted his head inside the burrow. Felix hissed, scratched the ground, and kicked up dust, making it seem like a whole group of cats had arrived. The dust mixed with the smell of the beehive, making it seem like bees were coming too. Slither hesitated. Was this really just one cat? Or a whole army? And were there bees outside? Felix growled even louder. That was enough! Slither quickly slithered out of the burrow and disappeared into the forest. The baby rabbits ran to their mother, nuzzling her happily. She had tears in her eyes. Felix smiled. "See? I told you I had a plan." The mother rabbit looked at him with gratitude. "You saved them." "Thank you," Felix purred. Friends always help friends. That night, Felix and the rabbits sat under the twinkling stars, happy and safe. From that day on, they were best friends, and the snake never returned.